say juggle, everybody.
1, 2, 3, juggle!
Somebody make some noise quick. Hold it, hold it. Everybody watch. You'll know when to clap. Okay, maybe not. You guys keep an eye on it, watch. I'm gonna do it. I call this trick stupid. I used to call it great balls of fire. But now I get it right. Here we go, under the leg. I am gonna do it. Everybody say good luck.
Good luck.
Everybody watching loud like you mean it. Scream good luck.
Good luck.
If I get this wrong, call 911. If I get it right, don't make me beg you for it. Be loud on your own. Get your cameras ready. My finale is after this one. Under the leg. Keep your eye on it. 1, 2. I'll count this one. They belong to me. Hot dogs, roasted peanuts. Watch. 1, 2, and please go. This is going to be my last one. Everybody go, oh. I saved the best for last. I promise y'all the most dangerous trick. Here it is. You guys came at the right time. Watch. When you're funny, you don't have to do that crap. Look, here it is. I'm going to take the hat. I'm going to flip it off my head. As the hat flips through the air, I'm going to try to catch it on my foot. Oh, come on. You guys are hard to impress. What the hell did the last guy do? Look, if I catch the hat on my foot, I'm then going to kick it back to my head with no hands. Everybody clap.
Yay.
I get 3 tries. Look, I hope everybody had as much fun as I did.
Oh, yeah.
I love what I do. I hope y'all can tell. At the end of my show, find it in your heart to put a couple bucks in my box. You will be supporting street theater. I love street shows. I don't have a bunch of lights and music, no special effects. It's just you, me, a piece of the street, a good kid, and about 30 minutes. How'd I do with that?
Yeah.
Just remember, the movies would be 10 bucks, even if it sucked. I know I'm not a movie star. I know I'm just a guy on a big unicycle. But if I can get every one of y'all to come down here one time a day, it'll keep me on the street. Just remember, the more you give, the more I have. You guys in the back, I can't come out to all of you. I've got 10 performers to wait on. This will be my only show. Please keep that in mind and walk up and tip me. Nobody pull any money out yet. Wait till you see this trick. The hat to my foot and back to my head. When I catch the hat on my foot, y'all be loud. If I said something that pissed you off, write it on a 20, I'll never say it again. I always get a laugh, I never get the damn 20. Watch. The hat to my foot. Y'all were a great crowd. Don't spoil it now. Y'all tip. Here we go. Yeah, laugh it up, lady. I could have been your kid. It's not that damn funny, is it? Watch. Come on!
Yay!
They told me to quit telling y'all what to pay. So I hope you'll stop and think about it. Maybe you'll figure it out. I've been doing it for 15 years. It's time I get a raise. Y'all give me the 5. Here we go. The hat to my head. Hold it. Everybody go, you suck.
You suck.
Now there's the crowd I'm used to. Hold it. I don't need your pity. It's just your 5s. Watch. Thank you, folks. That's my little show. Please come down on your own. Don't make me feel like a beggar. Thank you. Y'all don't walk off, you cheap bastards. I got a box over here and a box over here.